Hey guys, welcome back to Techo AV. Today we're checking out the brand new Lenovo LOQ Essential 15ARP10E, a gaming laptop that promises solid performance with Ryzen 7 and RTX 4050 graphics. But is it actually worth your money in 2026? Let's find out. Starting with the design, this laptop comes in a clean lunar grey finish that looks minimal and professional. It doesn't scream gaming, which is great if you want something for both work and play. You also get a white backlit keyboard, which looks clean and is comfortable for long gaming sessions. Now let's talk power. This laptop is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor. That's an 8-core, 16-thread chip. So whether you're gaming, editing videos, or multitasking, performance is smooth and reliable. It comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM, which is fast and future-ready, and a 512GB NVMe SSD for quick boot times and fast file transfers. For gaming, you get the NVIDIA RTX 4050 with 6GB RAM and 65W TGP. This means smooth gameplay in modern AAA titles, high to ultra settings in most games, support for DLSS and AI features. Overall, this is a solid GPU for 1080p gaming in 2026. The laptop features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with 144Hz refresh rate. You also get 100% sRGB color accuracy, anti-glare panel, AMD FreeSync support. So whether you're gaming or editing, visuals look sharp and smooth. Now let's take a look at the ports, and honestly, Lenovo did a solid job here. You get a full-size HDMI port for connecting to external displays, 2 USB-A ports, 5 gigabits per second for your mouse, keyboard, or accessories, a USB-C port, 5 gigabits per second, with power delivery support, 65W to 100W. A 3-in-1 card reader, which is great for content creators, a gigabit Ethernet, RJ45, port for stable gaming internet, and a 3.5mm headphone mic combo jack. Audio is powered by Nahimic by SteelSeries, giving you immersive 3D sound. You also get HD webcam with privacy shutter, dual microphones, AI features with Lenovo LA1 chip. Battery is 57.5 Wh, which is decent for a gaming laptop. And with Rapid Charge Pro, you can go from 0 to 70% in under 30 minutes, super useful. Pros: strong Ryzen 7 performance, RTX 4050 for modern gaming, 144Hz smooth display, upgradable RAM and storage, clean, professional design. Cons: battery life is average, 65W GPU is not the highest performance variant, no color calibration out of the box. Final verdict: the Lenovo LOQ Essential 15ARP10E is a great mid-range gaming laptop for students, gamers, and creators. If you want a balance between performance, design, and price, this is definitely worth considering. Outro: so that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. This is Techo AV, and I'll see you in the next one.